Hi, welcome to Curiosity TV. Today I'll be showing you top 2 sites you can go. Top 2 sites you can go, and make sure you get there and start making good change for yourself. Good change for you, just like buying and selling. Just like buying and selling. Number one, first of all, go to your Chrome browser. Go to your Chrome browser and search for a site named swapper.com. 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 On this swapper.com, you have the ability to be able to purchase things, to be able to purchase good products, phones, quality phones, and etc. at cheap price, such as iPhones and etc. Buy iPhones. Just scroll down. You can see low price. Now iPhone 13 for $700. You can see it's very cheap. It's very cheap. It's very cheap in contrast to most iPhone 13 mini. So just go to this platform and leverage the price of the product. Now let me show you the other strategy you can adopt apart from getting product at cheaper rate from this price. Now go to a site named Amazon.com. Amazon.com. As you are now on Amazon.com, on this platform, you can just go. Those products that you purchase on the first platform can come here, and sell it. Just register, then register as a seller, then start selling it and start selling the product. Now let me show you. Let me search for something. iPhone 13. Nobody will show you this strategy. Most people were just plotting, and look and see. Okay, this one is not iPhone 13. It's iPhone. If you can see, Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, they sold this for $1,150. Very high. The price is very high. You can see. I'm still searching. Let's shop iPhone 13 Pro. You can see they are selling it for $999. Some are even selling it for $1,399. Apart from that, not only they can also go to once you get those, you can also go to a platform named Jumia.com. If you are from maybe Africa and etc., if you don't have access to get the product, you can go to Jumia.com.ng. Now let's search for iPhones. Wow, you can see the price they are selling these iPhones. You can see the price they are selling it for 775,099 naira. This one is sold for, no, I'm quite sure this one is not the appropriate one. Right, 13,993,000. Some are even selling for 1.1 million. Some are even selling it for 100 million. For what? Some 851,000. Most of you can see all these cheap price. You need to be careful getting all these cheap price products, because most of them are scammed. Let's put the rate from 800,000 upward. Now let me show. Where is my calculator? Let's first of all search for $699 to naira. Can see, imagine getting a product for 288,833 naira, then reselling it for 600,000 to what? 500,000. Imagine, look at the measure of profit. Then how much are you going to use to export the product? How much? So that's it. That's just it for the day. Kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop awesome video and awesome strategy just like this. Thanks.